Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Cuban Comet plum. It's an Asian plum. I think it comes from Russia, and it's ripe now. It's one of our, I just mentioned this with our other plum over here, Obelnaja, that it comes online where it ripens at the same time as Methley, Obelnaja, Cuban Delight. We're very happy to have these. And it's Friday morning, and we're going to pick these today and take them to market because there's really nothing like having a fresh plum in the summer. This tree is still very young. It's only maybe we planted it maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and it produced last year. It produces every year. We prune things very heavily in the first few years to get the right shape. We're gonna, we're at a point now where we can let it grow and build some infrastructure and we should start getting more and more plums every year. It's also a very healthy plum. You can see here that the leaves are really green. There's no indications of any kind of problems with it, and no doubt it will continue to grow rapidly. We have our soil here has been hayed for decades, and so it's not very healthy, but I don't know if you can see in the distance here, but these plum trees, they love it. They're doing great. We do irrigate a little bit because it gets dry here in the summer, but this plum tree, Cuban Comet, and all of our other plum trees seem to like the clay soil on our island here in the San Juan Islands. They're all at about the same stage, but I'm going to grab the darkest one here and let's take a taste. And one nice thing is they're staying on the tree in this wind, so that's a nice benefit. Is that even if they're ripe, the wind isn't going to come through and knock them all down. Oh, that's good. I got juice all over my jacket. That's very good. This is an Asian plum, but the stone isn't completely. It's only like semi-free. You can see it popping out here. So I would say that's kind of a freestone plum. Maybe not as amenable to, turning into a prune plum like a European plums where the pit will just pop right out. But, that's still a good possibility. This is Cuban Comet plum. It's an Asian plum, but it's semi-freestone and comes online very early. So we're going to harvest these and take them to market.